The final functional group I want to introduce is ester, which is a special homologous series because it is formed by reacting carboxylic acid and alcohol with this equation. Here shows a typical example. As you can see, the carbon skeleton is broken into two parts by an oxygen atom. Now, please remember, the carbon chain that holds CO double bond is always come from carboxylic acid, while the one without CO double bond is come from alkanol. In this example, the chain with CO double bond contains 5 carbon atoms, which means it should come from pentanoic acid, while the other part contains 2 carbon atoms, which should come from ethanol. During naming, alcohol part should come first, followed by a space, then comes the acid part. For the alcohol part, we change the ending to YL instead of OL, while for the acid part, we change the ending from IC acid to ATD, just like what we have done in the salt preparation. As the result, the name of this ester should be ethyl pentanoate. Next, we will have a short discussion to the physical properties of different homologous series. Just like what we have learned before, the following physical properties can be predicted in terms of intermolecular forces. For example, carboxylic acid amide, amine, or alkanol will have higher melting point or boiling point than the other homologous series because they contain hydrogen bond, which is the strongest intermolecular force. Ketone, aldehyde, and haloalkane will be followed because they are polar molecules, which also have stronger van der Waals forces. Alkane or alkene will have the lowest melting point and boiling point because they are nonpolar molecules, only contain weak van der Waals forces. Similar chain also exists in solubility. As hydrocarbon chain is nonpolar, the molecule owning higher solubility will have shorter hydrocarbon chain. At the end of this chapter, here introduce a few molecules with their trivial name or common name that everyone should memorize in DSE. The advantage of using trivial name is it is more popular, especially for those people who haven't studied chemistry. And here shows. Of course, there are trivial names for other molecules, but we will not discuss here as they are not included in the DSE syllabus.